Feeling like your skin is losing its youthful bounce? What if you could get it back with fruit? We're revealing 8 amazing collagen-boosting fruits that every senior over 60 should be eating for radiant skin. Let's jump right in with our number 8 fruit, a classic breakfast staple that's a skincare powerhouse. That's right, it's the amazing vitamin C-packed orange. This fruit is your skin's best morning friend. Oranges are loaded with vitamin C, which is absolutely essential for your body to actually produce new collagen. Think of vitamin C as the construction worker that helps build the strong collagen fibers in your skin. Without enough of this key vitamin, your body's natural collagen production line simply grinds to a halt. Enjoying just one orange a day can give you a significant boost to help firm up your skin. Plus, the antioxidants in oranges help protect the collagen you already have from damage caused by the sun. So peel one open for a snack, or squeeze some fresh juice to drink your way to better skin. Coming in at number 7, we have a sweet red berry that's a treat for your taste buds. It's the delightful strawberry. These little red gems are another fantastic source of skin-loving vitamin C. But strawberries have another secret weapon, an antioxidant called ellagic acid, which fights collagen breakdown from UV damage. This amazing compound has been shown in studies to prevent wrinkles caused by sun exposure. How cool is that? So by eating strawberries, you're not just building new collagen, you're actively protecting your existing supply. Try blending them into a smoothie or slicing them over yogurt for a delicious and protective skin treat. Let's move on to fruit number 6. It's small, fuzzy, green, and packs an unbelievable nutritional punch. You guessed it, it's the kiwi. This little fruit contains even more vitamin C than an orange. That huge dose of vitamin C supercharges your collagen production, which is crucial for maintaining skin elasticity. Better elasticity means your skin can stretch and snap back into place, which helps reduce visible sagging. Kiwis also provide other key antioxidants, like vitamin E, that work with vitamin C for even better results. Slice one in half and scoop out the delicious green flesh with a spoon for an easy, powerful snack. At number 5 is a tropical treasure that many people overlook, but it's a true collagen superstar. We're talking about the incredible guava. This fruit is one of the richest sources of vitamin C available. Just a single guava can provide over twice the daily recommended intake of vitamin C. It's that powerful. This massive surge of vitamin C puts your skin's collagen factories into overdrive, working hard to repair and rebuild. Guava also contains zinc, another mineral that plays a crucial role as a cofactor in collagen synthesis. Enjoy this tropical fruit in a juice, or just slice it up and eat it raw. Our 4th fruit is another tropical delight, known for its unique enzymes that benefit your skin's health. Say aloha to the wonderful papaya. This fruit is rich in vitamins A, C, and E. But its real secret is an enzyme called papain, which acts as a natural anti-inflammatory agent. Reducing inflammation is key, as chronic inflammation can accelerate the breakdown of your precious collagen and elastin. By calming things down, papaya helps create the perfect environment for your skin to stay strong and youthful. The vitamin A in papaya also helps to gently exfoliate, removing old skin cells and revealing brighter skin. Enjoy a few slices for breakfast, or add it to a fruit salad for a beautiful, skin-soothing meal. Now for number 3. This isn't just one fruit, but a whole family of antioxidant-packed powerhouses. We're celebrating dark berries like blueberries and blackberries. They are bursting with antioxidants. These powerful antioxidants help protect your skin from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that destroy collagen. Think of free radicals as little rust makers for your skin, and the berries are the ultimate rust-proof coating. By neutralizing these damaging molecules, berries help maintain your skin's firmness and prevent premature aging signs. They are also a great source of fiber, which is important for gut health, and a healthy gut reflects beautifully on your skin. Grab a handful as a snack, or toss them on your morning oatmeal for an antioxidant-rich start. Here at number 2, we have a fruit that looks like it's filled with hundreds of tiny jewels. It's the powerful pomegranate. Those little seeds, called arils, are where the anti-aging magic is hiding. Pomegranates contain unique antioxidants, including one called collagen, that are incredibly potent at preserving your collagen. Some research even suggests that these compounds can help slow down the aging process in skin cells. Pomegranates may also help boost your body's own production of antioxidants, giving you more protective power. Sprinkle those beautiful arils on salads, yogurt, or just enjoy a spoonful for a burst of flavor. And now, the moment you've been waiting for. Our number 1 collagen-boosting fruit might actually surprise you. The number 1 spot goes to the creamy, delicious avocado. Yes, it's a fruit, and it's incredible. Unlike the other fruits on our list, avocado's power doesn't come from vitamin C, but from healthy fats. These monounsaturated fats help keep your skin's outer layer hydrated and supple, preventing dryness and fine lines. Think of it as moisturizing your skin from the inside out, creating a strong, healthy barrier. Avocados are also a fantastic source of vitamin E, an antioxidant that protects skin from oxidative damage. It works together with vitamin C, so pairing avocado with an orange or strawberries is a super-powered combo. Though, mash it on toast, blend it in a smoothie, or add it to your salad. So there you have it, 8 delicious and powerful fruits to help you boost your body's natural collagen. Remember, consistency is key. Try to incorporate a variety of these fruits into your diet every single week. Eating a colorful diet isn't just good for your body, it's a joyful way to nourish your skin. Your skin will thank you for it, with a healthier, more radiant, and youthful glow that shines from within. Which of these collagen-boosting fruits is your absolute favorite? Let us know down in the comments section below. If you found this video helpful, give it a big thumbs up and share it with a friend. And don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you never miss our health tips. Let's recap the power of our number 8 fruit, the classic orange, packed with essential vitamin C. Remember how vitamin C is the key worker your body needs to synthesize those crucial collagen fibers. And at number 7, strawberries not only provide vitamin C, but also that protective ellagic acid. This dynamic duo helps to both build new collagen and protect the collagen that you already have. Our number 6 fruit, the fuzzy kiwi, is an absolute champion when it comes to vitamin C concentration. That extra boost is incredible for maintaining skin elasticity, keeping your skin bouncy and firm for years. The tropical treasure at number 5, guava, is the undisputed king of vitamin C in the fruit world. This powerhouse fruit puts your collagen production into a healthy, productive overdrive, helping to repair your skin. Then at number 4 we have the papaya, with its amazing anti-inflammatory enzyme, papain, to calm skin. By reducing inflammation, papaya creates the ideal internal environment for strong, healthy, and long-lasting collagen fibers. The number 3 spot went to the whole family of dark berries, like blueberries, full of antioxidants. These berries are your first line of defense against environmental damage that can wreck your precious collagen supply. Our runner-up at number 2 was the jewel-like pomegranate, a true anti-aging and collagen-preserving powerhouse. Its unique ability to slow down the aging process at a cellular level makes it incredibly special. And our surprising number 1 winner was the creamy avocado, moisturizing skin from the inside with healthy fats. This internal moisturization helps to maintain a strong skin barrier, which is essential for a youthful appearance. Let's not forget the importance of variety. Mixing these fruits gives you a wider range of beneficial nutrients. Imagine starting your day with oatmeal and berries, and then having an avocado salad for your lunch. And for a snack, you could enjoy a juicy orange, or a handful of sweet, delicious pomegranate seeds. Making these small, delicious changes to your diet can have a huge, visible impact on your skin's health. It's not about expensive creams or lotions, but about nourishing your body from the inside out, naturally. This approach to skincare is sustainable, affordable, and most importantly, it contributes to your overall health and wellness. Remember that staying well hydrated by drinking plenty of water will also support your skin's collagen and elasticity. Water is the foundation, and these incredible fruits are the powerful tools you use to build beautiful skin. So head to your local market and stock up on these amazing collagen-boosting fruits for your health. So head to your local market and stock up on these amazing collagen-boosting fruits for your health. Think about the juicy sweetness of a fresh strawberry on a warm summer day. Healthy eating is delicious, or the creamy satisfaction of a perfectly ripe avocado spread on a piece of warm, crunchy toast. Let's do a lightning round recap. Oranges give you the vitamin C building blocks for your skin. Strawberries provide that vitamin C and the acid that protects collagen from breaking down in the sun. Kiwis are the vitamin C champions, supercharging your skin's elasticity to keep it firm and bouncy. Guava is the vitamin C king, putting your skin's natural repair and rebuilding mechanisms into healthy overdrive. Papaya's special enzyme, papain, helps to calm down inflammation, creating a perfect environment for healthy skin. Calm and effective. Dark berries are your antioxidant bodyguards, fighting off the free radicals that want to damage your collagen. Pomegranates are the preservers, using unique antioxidants to slow down the cellular aging process in your skin. Thank you so much for joining us on this fruity journey to better skin and better health. Stay healthy, stay glowing, and we will see you in the next video. Bye for now.